I am back with another video. This time trading the the Mini Dow futures contract. As you can see, the market, let's see, we're short 15 here. We're pretty much right at the halfway mark, right at the 50% of the day's down move. This is the high, this is the low, 50% right there. That's where I'm short from. As you can see on the matrix, I've got 15 short here. We're up 375 so far on the trade. Not much. Looking to just looking for this market to move a bit lower. I expect the market to at least come back right where I'm moving my horizontal line. I'm expecting the market to come back to roughly 17,808. I'm going to watch this closely. Let's see the E-Minis. I am also short the E-Minis and down a little bit here, shorted here and here. Logical resistance. I'm looking to take 5 off right here where you see the buy limit right in here. Drop down, get rid of half the position, make money on this short up in here, and then watch it further. So let's see how this plays out. Okay, so what I'm managing 2 trades here, right? I've got some trade going on in the E-Minis, as you can see. We're going to take 5 off here. Look at the YM. YM actually up $1,200 practically. So I'm gonna, you know what I'm gonna do? I gotta be quick and nimble here, you know. So I'm gonna look to take off a little more than half the position, lock in some profits here with the YM. Okay, so I'm gonna just buy 8. Here we go. Let's see what we do. So locked in 520. That leaves me with 7 contracts left. I'm going to just go ahead and go to break even on the remaining 7 because I'm managing a few positions here. 17,844, 17,844, buy it back. 17,844. Let's see, 17,844 right here. Break even on that. As you can see, that's break even there. Lock in 520. Let's go back, check on the E-Minis. Gosh, just missed. Just missed profit target here. Let's see. Take this off. I am actually going to go. Let's watch, see how this plays out. 2,080 3/4 went down to round number of 81 even. Earlier in the day, I was completely right. I had my stop to take me out of the remainder here. Look at this. Remember this last trade where I went long? I was anticipating the market to come back up as it did, to break through these levels, if you recall, earlier in the day, and it did break through. We've run up. I just believe we've hit some type of wall here where we should back and fill somewhat, and I tried it here, and then another level right here. Not doing too well on that position, but let's see the YM. Regardless of what happens, we will make 520 on that. Okay, so even if we come back up, market takes us out of the rest, we still lock in 520 on this. And it looks like the market is probably going to go higher. We'll see, though. I'm going to give it patience. I give this some more time. I'm break even here on the YM, so regardless, we make money there. Not so much on the E-Minis, though. I'm going to just go above this high of 84 1/4 now. I'm at 85 1/4, my initial stop. I'm obviously going to lower that. So I'm going to take this and go to 84 1/4. Okay, let's move this down. 84 1/4 right there. Watch how it's going to move. Right there. 84 1/4 right above that high. At this point, if the market comes up and takes out these highs, obviously I don't want to be there. So I'll stop myself out. I've still got a profit target of just half the position here. So I make a little money on this short here, and then I'd still have this one, and then I'll move it down further. If this profit target can get hit, then I will move it down even further. Let's check back quickly with the YM. All right, got that break even in. At this point, got to ask yourself, let's put a profit target in. slightly below. We'll buy it back on weakness if we can fall through this low of 17,839. We'll go 17,837. 17,837 would be right there. All right. Oops.
Order filled.
Damn. Okay, that was a mistake. Okay, so let's take this off. We don't want that. Mistake. I misread it. Okay, so we made 730 on the YM. Okay, so everyone makes mistakes. I thought it was lower. I hit it wrong on the matrix. So I'm out of the YM. As you can see, I'm completely flat. The YM, right? No positions. As you can see on the matrix, made $730 there. Not bad. Let's switch back to the E-Minis. And this is still holding where it's holding. So we'll see if we get stopped out, see what it does. If we're able to break through these lows, then we'll watch it very closely here. So let's just pause this video. All right, I'm back. As you can see, I've got a buy stop above that high. Got a buy limit, but you know, I want to take off that. If we take out this low, I think we're going to go lower, so I'm going to take that out. All right, so if we break through these lows, I believe we move lower rather. So I don't want to be as quick to take off 5 there. I've got 5 in the order matrix. So if we start breaking down through and we get some momentum to the downside, I'll probably go ahead and take that off. Let's just watch. Let's just watch. We got the buy stop at 84.25, which is 1 tick above the round number of 84, right above here. Again, if we break down through this low right here, which is 81, the round number of 81, I believe we try to move even lower yet. So let's be patient. Got to be patient. Again, in the YM trade, took that off. That was good for 730. 730 profits there, but the E-Minis is another animal here. Let's see if we end up losing on this one and giving back maybe about 1,000. If we get hit here, we'll probably give back 1,000 of the 1762, and then with the 730, we're still up about $1,500 for the day almost. So let's just see what happens. I'm going to move that stop down to 83.75 now. Right there, which will be right above this last high. I know it's a little tight, but again, I want to lose as little as possible when I lose. And when we create a pattern like this, we can move those stops. So let's just watch real closely here and have the patience we need. All right, I'm back. We are testing these lows. Let's see if we can break through the 81 round. We're at 81 round. Let's see if we can. Okay, we broke at 80.75. I'm going to set a buy here. 5. Right. Let's see if we can push lower. If not, I'm going to take off. 5. Let's just. Okay, here we go. Got a little momentum. Here we go. Breaking 80.25. 80.25. Let's see if. Go ahead and take 5 off now.
Order filled.
There we go. And we don't want this order anymore, of course. Okay, come on, momentum. Got 5. Let's watch this closely. Let's see, we're up 6.25 on the remainder. Let's just see. We're going to watch this real close and park that market order just in case we start bouncing. We want to take the profits off and be done with it. Remember, we've got the 730 profits in the YM. And the 5 I just took off lost a hair, right? From this position, lost a hair, but we're short from here, remember. So we're up $875 now on this trade, okay? So just, okay, we got the momentum behind us here. Gonna watch it real close. See if we can continue pushing lower. I want to see where this bar closes before I do anything. And then I want to watch probably 30 seconds to a minute on the next bar. We'll see. Let's see what happens. All right, I am back, and I'm going to close this one out right here. Give me about 20 seconds. Let's watch this. All right, look at this. Here we go. It's all about the tape reading. It's all about pure price action. It's all about looking for certain patterns and formations, understanding the overall context of the market like we did today, and having that discipline to follow through. Here we are. We are breaking through. We've got some momentum to the downside. This is good. This is a nice trade. Look at that. So even if you trade 2 contracts, you could have done the same trade. Even if you traded 1, you'd have been selling it up in here anyways, and you'd be making money, okay? So even though I trade multiples, means nothing. You can do the same thing trading a single contract, okay? So if I were to close this out right now, we're up about 2,900, just under 3,000, and then we took 730 on the YM. Okay, so let's just watch. Look, I'm gonna be patient here. Patience. This is what I'm gonna do. Let me click this off. Let me get out of 3 and leave 2 on. Okay. So buy 3 on this weakness. This is nice, folks. Look at this, 3,200.
Order filled.
There we go. Look at that. So we've locked in 25.62, and we're up $600 on the remaining 2 contracts. All right, so as you can see on this matrix, right, -2 means 2 contracts. So I changed it in the quantity window. Nice. This is nice. So just I know we've recorded a lot of trades today. See, the big trades, you know, the big winners are nice. I mean, if you recall the last 2, let's see, the last 2 trades were small. We were looking for the bigger run, and we finally got it here. Unfortunately, got out a little soon. Came up. I mean, remember, when I say understanding the overall context of the market, you need to understand the bigger picture, right? The trend of the day was down, and the market rallied up into a beautiful resistance zone. That's why we were selling the market in here, okay? It's that simple. So that's the reason for that. So I've got 2 left, and on those 2 contracts, as you can see in my matrix window, we're up about $600. And yes, this is with live money, no sim trading here. Okay, it's coming down. Like you got to exercise that patience, right? Because that's where the big money comes, is when you're able to catch the bigger trades. Okay. All right. Let's just go ahead and take profits on the remaining 2. All right.
Order filled.
There we go, folks. There we go. We closed it out. All right, look at this. Closed at 3,112.50. That's the total with the prior 3 trades, right? So, so on this trade, I think we added about $1,500 to the $1,400 to the bottom line on the E-Minis, right? So total up 3,112 on the ES, and then go back to the YM trade, and we made $730. So just under $4,000 so far today. All right, have a great one. Hopefully you can learn a lot from this. This is about a 13-minute video, and I think you can get a lot and glean a lot of good information from this. I hope it helped. Bye for now.